Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to open your reading list on Google Chrome for PC after the latest update. If you often find yourself saving articles or web pages to read later, the reading list feature is a fantastic tool to keep your browsing organized. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or taskbar. Once the browser is up and running, you'll be ready for the next step. Next, click on the three dots located in the top right corner of the browser window. This is known as the More menu, and it gives you access to various features and settings in Chrome. From there, hover over the Bookmarks and Lists option in the drop-down menu. This will reveal additional options, including your reading list. It's essential to navigate carefully here to ensure you select the right feature. Now, click on Reading List. This action will display your reading list panel on the side of your Chrome window. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. Sometimes it requires a little patience as it loads. Finally, click on Show Reading List. This step ensures that your reading list is visible and accessible whenever you need it. You can now easily add articles or websites to this list for later reading. With these simple steps, opening Chrome, accessing the More menu, navigating to Bookmarks and Lists, selecting Reading List, and showing it, you can efficiently manage your reading materials in Google Chrome. Whether you're saving articles for work or personal interest, using the reading list feature can help streamline your online experience. So go ahead and give it a try. Happy reading!